Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Yes Bank credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.yesbank.in and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official site of Yes Bank, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button, and from the options displayed, select one of the choices that you'd like to log in with. I've chosen the third option that says credit card. Once you select a choice, click on Get Started. Now, click the Continue button on the next page. Enter your Yes Bank net banking credentials on the left-hand side of the screen. First, enter your login ID, then your password on the next field. Once you type in your password, you can click on the login button, but in case you've forgotten your password or your login ID, you can click on this Forgot Login ID link or the Forgot Password link in order to look for your password or your login ID. After typing in all of the credential, click Login, and once you log into your net banking or online banking for Yes Bank, select Credit Card option and click on the Activate button in order to activate your credit card. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to activate your Yes Bank credit card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.